Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So we're gonna jump right in, and I'm gonna go ahead and take my eyebrow razor and also my spoolie brush. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna clean up my brows because as you can see, my eyebrows are very bushy. So I have to clean up my brows to make it look very nice when I start to shape it out. Next, I'm going to go ahead and take my scissors, and what I do normally, if your hair is very long, you just go ahead and just clip off the ends a little bit because you want it to be straight and nice. Some people cut it off, some people leave it, but I like to cut it off, so that's what I'm going to do. Then I'm going to go back into my tweezer and just tweeze a little hair that is not shaped out when I use the eyebrow razor. So yeah, pretty much I'm just going to use a tweezer just to pluck out a little hair that is still in the way. Now I'm going to go ahead and take my alcohol and just clean off my brows. Then I'm going to go into my Benefit Brow Tint, and I really love this so much because it kind of tints your brow a little bit, and this one is in dark deep or brown, something like that, but it matches my brows to the T, so I'm going to go ahead and just tint my brows just a little bit. Then I'm going to go into my Benefit GOOF Proof Pencil, and I picked up the shade 4.5, and I'm just going to go ahead and just fill in wherever I have a little hair that is not there. Bald spots, that's what you call it. Yeah. So I'm going to go ahead and just fill it in. I don't want my brows to be like too precise or too done up. I just want it to have a natural looking brow. So that's what I'm going to do. Then I'm going to go ahead and do the other side just like that. After that is finished, I'm going to take my NARS concealer in Amende and a very angled brush. And the concealer is like 1 or 2 tone lighter than me. And I like to use this under my brows because, you know, if you watch my makeup video, I like to put a lighter concealer at the bottom and then a darker concealer, which is like my skin tone, at the top. So I'm going to go ahead and just clean it up with this concealer. Then for the top, I'm going to use my Ruby Kisses concealer, and I think the shade is number 14. I'm going to take the darkest shade right there, and as you can see, when I'm putting it onto the top of my brows to shape it up, it matches me to the T. It blends right into my skin. So that's what I like to do, a lighter concealer at the bottom and a darker concealer to the top. And guys, pretty much that is it. A very easy eyebrow tutorial for 2021. I hope you enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on the bell, leave me a comment, and I truly appreciate you watching me, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.